from the registration file page, you're able to add students directly into your class. So this is great if you want to be able to have absolutely no information about your students. So you're just going to put in the prefix. You can put any words you want here, and then just put the number of accounts that you need for your class. Right here, you'll be able to see all of your students' usernames and passwords, and this will also be sent to you by email. From here, you can also message all of your users. If you click this button here, you can actually type in a subject line. And when you post it, it's going to actually send a message to all of the students that you just created. It'll actually appear for them in this, from the inbox here you have on site. If you want to message students directly, you can click this button here, and then just that student will receive a message. If you have a student in your class that will be taking on some admin duties, you can actually click this button here, and this will mean that they'll be able to access basic reports, but they won't be able to change any of the settings for the class. If you want to edit the student, you can change their username from here. You can also put their email address directly in here if you want. You can reset their password if they forgot it, and actually remove them entirely from your class here. Another great feature of this page is you can actually export it to Excel or Google Drive. Just click the button here and you'll be able to see all of the information about the students in your class. You can access this page by from within the reports section by just clicking here, registration file, or from anywhere on the site, just go to reports and click registration file.